Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the kind of function, not one of the topic available in sets, function and relation. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic kinds of function. The first type is 1 1. A function f such that a relates to b is said to be a 1 1 function, that is injection, if different elements of A have different images in B. That is called 1 1 function, right? A function f is available such that A relates B is said to be 1 1 function, injection, right? A relates to B is available in function B if different elements of A have different images in B. That is called a 1 1 function. Then onto function, onto, right? A function f such that A relates to B is said to be an onto, that is surjunction function, if every elements of B is the image of the same elements of A, right? The previous one different images, here same. Every elements of B is the image of the same elements of A is called a onto function. That is called surjunction. Previously injection, one is injection, onto is surjunction. Then we have bijunction is available. Another two more functions are available. Bijunction. Now we will see what is the bijunction. A function f such that A relates B is a bijunction if 1 1 as well as onto. A function satisfy 1 1 as well as onto, that is called a bijunction function, right? We already discussed what is 1 1 function, what is onto function. A function satisfy both 1 1 function and onto function is called a bijunction function. Then inverse of a function. Let the function f such that A relates to B be a bijunction. Then g, function g such that B relates to A, whose associate each element y implies B to A. Unique elements x relates A such that g of y equal to x is called a inverse of function f, and it is denoted by f dash, right? It's very simple. The inverse function is, first consider the function f, that is A relates to B. Another function g, B relates to A. In that associate each elements y implies B to a unique element of x implies A, right? The A relates x, B relates y, such that g of y equal to x, right? F of x, g of y equal to x. So this is the inverse function. It's called a inverse function f, and it is denoted by f dash, right? So in this video we discuss kind of function, 1 1 function, that is injection function, different images, different element having different images. Onto function called surjunction, that is same element having same image, it's called a surjunction. If you satisfy both injection and surjunction, 1 to 1 and onto, then it is called a bijunction function. The third type. Fourth one is inverse. F of the function f is available, A relates to B, G is available, B relates to A, so that y, we are referring y, implies B to A, so that x implies A, right? So that we have the inverse function, g of y equal to x, or a inverse function of f, that is also denoted by f dash. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.